Hi, my name's Jade, welcome to my channel if you are new, or if you are returning to my channel then hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my monthly Degustabox unboxing. I do these videos every month and obviously this is the month of September. So this is September's monthly unboxing of the Degustabox. So if you don't know what Degustabox is, it's a monthly food subscription box where you get lots of different foods, from household foods to snacks, drinks, all sorts of different things in there. Pretty much always things that are new and coming out into the shops, so that basically you can try them before they hit the stores. So I'm so excited for this month's box. Let's just get straight into it and let's see what we get in this month's Degustabox. So the theme for this month's box is family sharing and home cooking. So some things in here look really nice. So let's get straight into this box and let's have a little look at what we have. So the first thing that I can see on the top here, so these are Emily veg thins. So you get two flavours, so you've got the chipotle barbecue and the sea salt flavour. So these kind of look like, the shape, just looking at the packet, they look a bit like a Dorito. So these are dippable, crunchable and delicious. Veg thins are the first tortilla, okay, so they are like a tortilla chip, to have goodness pressed in with wholesome additions of corn, pea, black bean and red lentils. Try simple salt and smoky chipotle barbecue made with real veg. So they're high in fibre, they've got a good source of protein, they're gluten free and they're vegan and natural ingredients. So yeah, you'll get two of these in your box, and these are available to buy at Waitrose, Ocado and Amazon. So these look nice. So yeah, perfect like for nachos maybe, if you didn't want like the nachos off the side, they're a bit more healthier, 92 calories, good source of protein and fibre, and they're vegan. So yeah, they sound really nice. I think I'm more leaning towards the barbecue ones. They sound really nice, so I'm looking forward to having a little nibble on them. Okay, and then the next thing I have here is the protein ball co. You get 6 vegan protein balls, a goji berry and coconut flavour. The all-around protein snack. So these are not on the leaflet, so I'm guessing because I have the PR package, because I have a PR box, this is why it's in my box. Because I do know that sometimes we get sent the PR version and they're obviously different to the versions that you buy. So I got these in my box for this month, so I'm excited to try those. They sound really nice. So next up we have some soup. So this is Amy's Kitchen organic vegetable barley soup. I think I've had this one before, I'm not entirely sure, but I've had Amy's Kitchen soups before and they're really nice. So this is £1.89 and it's a classic comforting flavours come together in this garden blend of organic vegetables and hearty barley, simmered together in a flavourful broth. Can't speak. And it's also vegan. It's available in all major supermarket chains. So because we are in September now and it's hopefully going to start getting colder. I mean, we've had some really nice weather at the moment, but hopefully it's going to start getting colder and the winter months are coming, so this will be perfect. Like home cooking, perfect family soup for lunch and stuff, and Harrison loves his soup, so I'm sure he'll love that as well. So next up we have the Fufill chocolate hazelnut whip flavour vitamin and protein bar. I've had these before and these are gorgeous. This is £2. It's chocolate hazelnut whip, contains protein, contains 30% of your recommended daily vitamins E, C, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid and pantothenic acid, I think that says. So that's perfect. So these are available in all major supermarket chains and you can get them on Amazon, in like petrol stores and many other stores, so like little, you know, like your Spar and stuff. So yeah, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love these, and I think the chocolate hazelnut one is my favourite as well. Okay, next up we have some jelly. We have the Heartless jelly pots and you get a pack of 3. These are available in all major supermarket chains. These are 55p for a single pot or £1.65 for There are 3 pots. These are delicious pots of wobbly jelly, guaranteed to put a smile on your face. These 125 gram pots, raspberry flavoured jelly, bursting with fruit flavour, and are perfect to pop in a lunchbox or as a pudding at the end of school day, and they're under 100 calories as well. It's suitable for vegetarians, no artificial colours or flavours. So Harrison loves jelly, and like I say, with the back to school, the kids are back to school, and perfect for like desserts to have with like ice cream and stuff. So these will get eaten 100% in our house because I love jelly, and like I say, Harrison loves jelly. We love having it with like ice cream and stuff. So yeah, looking forward to having some jelly. I love jelly, it's so nice. What's next? We have some Thatcher's Cloudy Lemonade Cider. Ooh, this sounds nice, right up my street. Zingy and refreshing. This is, so this is for £5.50, so for a pack of 4. It's the perfect balance of sharp notes from real lemons, sweetness from specially selected dessert apples such as Brabant, Gala and Red Spur. The juice of real lemons is added to Thatcher's premium apple cider to create zingy and refreshing lemony flavours, and this is available in all major supermarkets online and at thatchercider.co.uk. This is actually cold because it's been in like my room where it's quite cold in here, and I'm actually excited to try that. I love a bit of cider. I'm not like normally I like to drink wine and stuff, but every now and again, especially when it's really warm, I like to have some cider or a beer, so I'm looking forward to having that. Okay, what's next? So next we have, so this is new. I love the naked Japanese style noodles, you know, what you get in a pot and you just add hot water, but this is new. So this is 5-minute noodles, and it says on the packet you just add vegetables and meat. So this sounds fab. This is something I would probably really enjoy. This is £1 and it's available in Tesco, so it just says Tesco. A delicious range of Asian inspired stir fry noodle recipes are now available in Tesco. You simply stir fry this with your favourite veg proteins, like any meats like chicken and stuff, and then add the contents of the pack and some water to the pan, and it makes a delicious meal in minutes, or you can eat it as your own as a snack. So I mean, I guess really it's kind of is just like the noodles in a pot, I guess, but you cook it, you could just put it in a hob, because normally what I do with the ones that come in the pot and you just add the hot water, like you could just pour that into a bowl anyway and add like extra vegetables and, you know, like meat and stuff. But that sounds amazing, and this is actually my favourite. So this is a chicken yakisoba, I think that's how it's pronounced. So I'm looking forward to having that, maybe for lunch with like some chicken and like maybe some like bean sprouts, add a bit of like spinach in there. So that sounds delicious, so that would be perfect. This pack contains 2 servings, so yeah, this would be perfect for tea, family cooking. So I'm excited to try that for like lunch and stuff. Okay guys, these look amazing. So we have some Mcvities Biscuits. These are brand new. These are the Mcvities VIBs. Mcvities' new very important biscuits, the ultimate combination of golden baked biscuit topped with a generous layer of delicious chewy caramel and a coating of Mcvities' iconic silky smooth chocolate. So you can choose from classic caramel bliss, which is what these ones are in the gold packet. They also do luscious blood orange flavour, ooh, and heavenly chocolate hazelnut flavour. They sound nice. So it just says very important biscuits and very hard to describe. So you should get one of these in your box, and these are available in major supermarket chains. I love a good biscuit. I love a good chocolate digestive, especially like at night with a cup of tea or as an afternoon treat, and I am 100% looking forward to having those. And I'm going to be hiding them because Harrison absolutely loves chocolate biscuits, and every time I get a cup of tea, he's like always says, can we go, like, can we have chocolate biscuits, can we dip our biscuits in? But I'm going to be hiding these because I want to eat them. I'm going to be hiding them from James as well. So we have, it's the Rhythm 108 it's called, but the brand, sweet and salty almond bar. This is £1.49. Made with smooth almond butter, oat flour, and covered in a silky milk chocolate. Our sweet and salty bar takes 3 days to make from start to finish. Oh, to get the perfect coating. Plus it has 45% less sugar and all organic ingredients. Gluten-free, organic, vegan, and 46% less sugar. Ooh, sounds nice. It's quite hard. That sounds really, really nice. I am excited to try that. I even might have a little bite. So this is available to buy in Sainsbury's, Boots, Ocado, WH Travel, Whole Foods, Planet Organic, and Booths. So, sounds yum. Yeah, I'm going to have a little bite. I want to have a little bite. Looks like a chocolate bar, doesn't it? Like, ooh, it looks really, really nice. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is amazing. Oh my god. Where's English? Cacao chocolate. Oh my god. Raw cane sugar, cacao butter, gluten-free oat flour. Oh my god, guys. I'm not even joking. This, look at that inside. This is actually amazing. Oh, and you know something? It's got like less sugar in it, but you can't taste the difference. It literally just tastes like a chocolate bar. Oh my god, that's so nice. Anyway, what do we have next? So we have some little mini Canadian syrups. I think we got syrup in the last one. These are so cute. Look how small they are. Let me turn them around. Oh, looks like this. Get two. These are £1. St. Lawrence Gold Pure Canadian maple syrup. This delicious tasting maple syrup is ideal as a topping or as an ingredient in your favourite granola recipe. Oh yeah, that would be nice, wouldn't it? St. Lawrence Gold Maple Syrup is perfect sweetener for pancakes, waffles or ice cream and is wonderful added flavour to many products such as cereal. So these are available in Ocado, Booths and independent natural and organic stores. So I love pancakes, ice cream, I love syrup and I love anything like that. So these will be nice and I'm looking forward to trying those on my pancakes, my waffles. We have a drink, another drink in here. This is Lucashade Revive. This looks nice. It is lemon and lime flavour and it's got B vitamins in it to help reduce tiredness, it says. It's £1.50, well £1.49. A new product from Lucashade, brand new. Lucashade Revive is a naturally inspired uplift like a breath of fresh air or a splash of water to the face. Okay. Awaken your taste buds with this sparkling, naturally fruity drink that contains vitamins B3, B5, B6 and B12, leaving you refreshed. Ooh. So you get one of these in your box. Available in all major supermarket chains. I mean, look at that. It's not even like full to the top, is it? Look at that. Is it really going to help reduce tiredness though? I'm intrigued by that. Like if I just drink that, it's gonna like not make me as tired. Very intriguing. So we also have, so this is actually like a little gift that's in your packs, in your boxes for this month. This is the Peat Yard's original sourdough crisp bread. So yeah, it's a gift. These award-winning crisp breads are made with natural ingredients, including a signature sourdough starter, which is slowly fermented for 16 hours, hand baked in small batches. So it says savour, original. It just says savour the crunch with your favourite cheese, smoked salmon or pate. Oh yeah, like a cream cheese on it with salmon. These are, it says, oh okay, so I think they come in like big bags, but these are like a little sample size. The original sourdough crisp breads are 105 grams, available for £2.95 at Waitrose, Ocado, Sainsbury's, Whole Foods and Booths. So this is just like a little sample that you get in your box. So they sound really, really nice. Then we've got this Whitworth's chocolate biscuit and hazelnuts with extra juicy raisins. This sounds nice. This is £2. It's a brand new delicious and indulgent snack that you can feel good about. A classic combination of chocolatey biscuits, crunchy hazelnuts and juicy raisins makes for a faultless classic mix. Oh my god, I can't speak. Enjoy our perfect little treat to share. Now this would, like I say, be perfect as a treat, but I guess you could put this in, like your breakfast and stuff, couldn't you, like with your porridge maybe, or add to yogurt, I guess. So this is available at Asda and it's suitable for vegetarians, so they look really, really nice. So the last thing in the box, we have these new Naked bars. These are raspberry chocolate 4 fruit and nut bars. 100% natural ingredients, no added sugar. I've had these before, but yeah, these are new. And these are £3. That's quite expensive. Are you a chocolate lover looking for a healthy alternative? Then you'll go crazy for Naked's drizzled chocolate bars with a fruit and nut centre and drizzled in a rich chocolate. Naked's answer to chocolate. They add dreamy indulgence to everyday snacking with 100% natural ingredients and no added sugar. These are available in major supermarkets and online and at... Okay, that's wrong. It says Thatcher Cider.co.uk. I think that must be a misprint. But yeah, they sound fab. So 100% natural ingredients, no added sugar, gluten free and vegan. So yeah, I've had these before. I'm not gonna lie, I've had something like this before and I didn't really like it, but because these have got chocolate on them, I'm pretty sure I might like them. So I'm looking forward to trying those. So that was everything in this month's September Degustabox. I'm actually really impressed with this month's box. I feel like it's one of my favourites just because of the chocolate biscuits and like all the little chocolatey things. I'm literally like so excited to go and have a cup of tea and those biscuits. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, as ever, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.